What's up, guys? Welcome to Wisdom Outdoors. It is Firearms Friday here on the channel. I have an exciting unboxing for you today. We're gonna go ahead, open this up. I gotta be honest, I peeked, she's beautiful, but I haven't really taken it out, handled it that much, so you are gonna see my reaction to this. It is the Browning AB3 Stalker, chambered in 300 Win mag. So this is my first 300 Win mag rifle as well. I killed a deer this year with 6.5 Creedmoor. I love it. It works. It dropped him. He didn't go 20. Having said that, there were times where I'm sitting in my stand and I'm just thinking about a larger caliber, thinking about maybe if my buddies invite me moose hunting, and you wouldn't want to say no to an invitation like that. My dream is to one way have a camp up north too. So this is it. This is the 300 Win mag, and I'm not regretting my purchase. I think it's going to be nice to have options as a hunter, and this thing is sexy as hell. 300 Win mag. Looking good. Let's get into it. So again, I got a little tip for you guys. If ever you're buying a rifle, always wait for those deals. So this was a Black Friday deal on Cabela's. I got a big rebate. And another piece of advice is look for those double rebates. Because not only did Cabela's have a sale, but Browning also had a mail-in rebate deal. So try and double up on the savings. I did the mail-in rebate as well as the Black Friday deal. So deal from the store retailer, deal from the manufacturer, and save an absolute fortune. So have a look at this, do some B-roll here, and just take a look at that beautiful rifle. Again, it's long, that is a 26-inch barrel. Again, I'm hunting from a tree stand, hunting from a ground blind. An extra 2 or 4 inches on the end of my barrel does not bother me one bit. This thing is a cannon, man. Absolutely beautiful. This is the VX-Freedom Scope. So really sexy. 3 to 9 by 40 millimeter. Leupold is amazing European optics, so I think this is going to be fantastic. That was the other thing sitting there in low light, you're thinking about too. I think as I get older, I'm 41 years old now, and to be honest, sometimes early morning, late in the day, you start to look at that tree stump and you just, is that, a 10-point, or is that just a bunch of twigs? I think it gets harder and harder to see in those low light conditions. So with these European optics on this thing, could not be happier with that. Let's go ahead and, man, is that smooth. Wow. I am really happy with this purchase. Beautiful Browning. Founded in the late 1800s by John Browning in Utah. Amazing history. I mean, the buckmark is, just known around the world. He was also a firearms inventor. They think a lot of the technology for different types of weapons, hunting reference, military weapons, came from Browning and his partner. So an amazing history too, and just a quality rifle. I look forward, I'm going to pick up it. I haven't found it yet, but I'm looking for a really nice leather sling for this. So I think that's going to be cool. I believe this holds 3 in here and 1 in the chamber. Let's go ahead and just see. Now again, I checked this thing earlier. It certainly is not loaded. Man, this is serious. Compared to my 6.5 Creedmoor, I can actually show you one here. I'll just show you the comparison to what I was hunting with this year. And again, nothing against it. People were making fun of me. I have nothing against 6.5 Creedmoor. My deer did not go 20 this year. But there's, that's significant. Hang on a second. I'll hold them. I want you guys to see that. My hands are right next to each other. That is a significant difference. So again, this is this would be ideal for moose hunting up north. Dropping a deer in its tracks. Is it overkill? Some people say it is. Other people tell me that the hole in their deer is about that big. No loss of meat with 300 Win mag, and the deer tends to drop pretty quickly. So we'll see. I'm gonna take this thing out. I'll definitely do a video when I first fire this thing and give you guys a little recoil report. And again, I believe this holds 3, I think, plus 1 in the chamber. Whereas my 110 Savage, I think it holds 4. My Remington, I could actually squeeze 5 in. Yeah, I think that's going to be pretty topped out at 3. Really nice look to this rifle. It just feels well made, That grip is really grippy. A nice, soft, mushy, sexy butt plate on there to take out some of that recoil, especially with the 300 Win mag. It's gonna kick, but again, that just feels really nice. I don't know if you can see how soft that is, but really good feel to that. I'll just take a look through the scope too. Go ahead and shoulder this thing. Wow, that's insane. Insane. I like that more than my Vortex. I can just tell, just looking through it, sitting here in my kitchen, that there is more light coming through that. I love the reticle, and I really look forward to shooting this thing. So again, keep your eye on the specials. It's, you know, and as fun as it is putting a rifle together, it's nice getting the Riflescope combo. When I saw this, I had to go ahead and pick it up. Retails for $1,300, but again, with the Black Friday special and the mail-in rebate, I got it for under $1,000. So pretty happy with my purchase. I could sell this tomorrow for $1,300. I've sold quite a few firearms on the internet, and they always go quick. So again, it's always not this long though. This is a cannon, man. Look at that. Really liking it. Anyways, yeah, I'll get that sling on it. Get that loaded up. What else do we have in here? We have some stickers. There is the whole guide. Make sure you go ahead and read that. Not much else in the box. Again, to adjust your scope, a couple of tools. Awesome. So again, I didn't want this video to be very long. Good moment. If you've been watching for the whole 8 minutes, you like my channel, you've checked out some of my videos, check out the one on the SKS I just picked up. I'm going to be reviewing something that just came in from England, a double barrel shotgun, 180-year-old handmade double barrel shotgun. I got hunting videos, fishing videos. So again, hit that like button and just go ahead and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. And again, we'll just do that thumbnail. There is the 300 Win mag. Beautiful. Awesome rifle. Could not be happier. I think I'm going to go shoot this thing right now. Love you guys. Wisdom Outdoors out.